If you're looking to transform your classic 1953 to 56 Ford F100 into a smooth-riding, sharp-handling machine without sacrificing its vintage soul, Classic Performance Products has just what you need. The Ultimate Performance Package. This all-in-one suspension upgrade includes CPP's Mustang II style independent front suspension kit paired with a complete rear leaf spring package, giving your truck modern handling, improved ride comfort, and that aggressive lowered stance every builder loves. The front end of your classic truck wasn't exactly designed with cornering or highway cruising in mind, but CPP's IFS kit changes all that. Here's what you get: precision-engineered crossmember, tubular upper and lower control arms, stock height or drop spindles for a lower ride height, coilover or spring and shock options, power or manual rack and pinion steering, 2-inch rack extenders. This setup delivers significantly improved handling, steering precision, and weight distribution. Say goodbye to vague steering and nosediving at every turn. This is a whole new driving experience. The rear suspension gets just as much love with CPP's updated leaf spring system. Designed to install cleanly, this package includes brand new multi-leaf springs, gas shocks and mounting hardware, shackles and bushings. So whether you're hauling gear, cruising the highway, or just showing off at the local car meet, the improved ride quality and lowered stance speak for themselves. Bring your classic 1953 to 56 Ford truck's brake system into the modern era with CPP's components. Designed for a performance upgrade, this kit delivers vastly improved braking performance, safety, and pedal feel, perfect for cruising, hauling, or hitting the show circuit. Whether your truck is stock or modified, CPP's power brake system is engineered to fit your truck while providing the confident stopping power today's roads demand. This package includes 7 or 8-inch single or dual brake booster, choice of red or black calipers, choice of single or 2-piston calipers, drilled, slotted, or vented rotors, brake hoses. Why go all in? Combining the front IFS with the rear leaf spring system results in a complete transformation. You'll notice flatter cornering and reduced body roll, a smoother, more compliant ride, modern road feel and response, enhanced stance and appearance. This isn't just about looks, it's about drivability, confidence, and making your classic Ford feel like a whole new truck. If you're ready to breathe new life into your 1953 to 56 Ford truck, the Ultimate Performance Package is the perfect foundation. It's engineered for builders who want bolt-on performance without compromise. CPP, built to perform, engineered to last. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.